In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view bank statements in QuickBooks Online. This process is quite straightforward, and we're here to make it as easy as possible for you. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, you will need to open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. If you're using your own device, ensure that you've selected a secure and reliable connection to protect your sensitive financial data. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard, a hub of all your financial activities. From here, you'll want to look for and click on the More button. This button usually provides you access to additional options within the platform. It may appear in different locations depending on your screen's configuration, but you'll typically find it along the top navigation bar. Once you've clicked on More, proceed by selecting Accounting. This is the section where you'll have access to all your financial transactions. The accounting feature in QuickBooks Online is designed to give you a streamlined view of your money flow, organizing your data in an easily digestible format that's tailored to meet your business's needs. At this point, if you've already entered transactions into QuickBooks, you should see them displayed right here. It's a comprehensive area where you can access a full range of banking activities. If you're just setting up or haven't added transactions yet, like in my case, it might look a bit empty. But worry not. Once you begin uploading your financial data, this section will become an invaluable resource. This area is particularly helpful because it allows you to track money flowing in and out of your accounts. Keeping an eye on this is crucial for effective budget management and financial planning. You can monitor your inflows and outflows, ensuring that you have a clear picture of your business's financial health at any given time. Moreover, this feature allows you to stay on top of your transactions by offering categorized views. It automatically categorizes your spending, helping you understand where your money is going and identifying areas where you might need to cut back or adjust spending. By using QuickBooks in this manner, you're empowering yourself with the capability to make informed financial decisions. You're not just tracking expenses, you're optimizing your business operations to ensure maximum efficiency and profitability. That's all it takes to view bank statements in QuickBooks Online. Remember, knowing where every cent is going and coming from in your business is vital for its success. So make use of these tools and keep your financial world running smoothly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.